there's a perception in the industry, in any industry, that with new technologies coming, or with technology changing so quickly, that the lifespan of products is quite limited, and in a lot of respects that's true in the consumer electronics world, where there's a lot of new features that are added to TVs and phones and what have you. But actually, if you look at what's happening in that sphere, the developments in technology aren't bringing actually groundbreaking changes. So the consumer isn't changing their smartphone as often as they were, say, 5, 6 or 7 years ago. They're waiting 3 or 4 years. And within the sort of business-to-business environment and looking at technologies, particularly in the security industry, the rule of thumb in the past was that a system would have a lifespan of anywhere from 7 to 15 years. I mean, particularly in access control, I know at TDSI we've got some customers out in China that have installed a TDSI kit 22 years ago. It's still working. There's absolutely no reason that they want to change. They don't need to, so they're not going to. We've built our reputation on the reliability of our product. But that said, that technology or the systems that were put in 22 years ago, they won't do everything that the modern systems that we manufacture do. So if a customer's needs have changed and they want to do more with their system, they want to integrate it into other parts of their ecosystem, then they would need to update their hardware. But also, I think now with the drive to look at more and more open systems, when an end user wants to, if he's adopted an architecture and an ecosystem that uses open architecture as much as possible, if their needs do change, then there's not the necessity to remove the whole system. It's just to add elements to the system that will provide them with the additional functionality that they're looking for. So, we're moved from sort of loading features into physical hardware to a world where things are governed by open architected software platforms that deliver solutions to customers. And it's a case of if that architecture is open enough and robust enough, you can add other functionality to it.